formal versus informal English in office. Could you kindly provide? Can you please give? I would appreciate it if. It would be great if. Please be advised that. Just wanted to let you know. We kindly request. We're asking. Pursuant to our discussion, as we talked about. In light of the above, based on what we discussed. As per our previous agreement, like we agreed before. We regret to inform you. We're sorry to say. Please let me know at your earliest convenience. Can you get back to me ASAP? We would like to extend our gratitude. We want to say thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.